Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your Honda Pilot model year and the current navigation version, because firmware differs by year. Once you have that, format a USB drive to FAT32 and ensure it has at least 8 GB free. This prevents file errors. Plug the USB into your computer and download the correct map update files from Honda's update portal, then copy them exactly to the root folder. Make sure the vehicle is running or in accessory mode, so power remains stable during transfer. Once done copying files to the USB, insert it into the Pilot's primary USB port. Avoid hubs or adapters since the system needs direct access. You will see on-screen prompts to install and accept terms, follow them, and tap when required. The system will verify files and begin installing maps and software updates. This can take 20 to 60 minutes depending on size. While installing, do not open doors repeatedly or power cycle the vehicle, because interruptions can corrupt the update. You finish by letting the system reboot and then verifying the new navigation version under Settings, System, About. This confirms success. If the update fails, don't panic. Reformat the USB to FAT32, re-download the exact files, and try a different USB stick, because corrupted downloads or incompatible drives are common causes. If problems persist, make an appointment with a Honda dealer or contact Honda support for diagnostics. Early professional help prevents bricking the unit and restores full navigation function quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.